major concern. As part of that, Disha Act has been enacted in AP Assembly. So Women Help Desk is one of the initiative of the Disha Act. So everybody knows that how we feel that to come to the police station. Even when you are in a distress also, we are hesitate to come to the police station. So that's the major case. That is mainly because of how we respond in the police station, how we treat the victims in the police station. When they come to the police station, the response from the police officers will be poor. At the same time, even we won't offer a seat to sit them, or we won't offer a water to them. Those are the major concerns when a distress come to the police station. So in order to improve the better response to the women in distress, so we have to change the police stations. For that, the first point is reception center. So reception center is the first contact to the any victim, whether it may be a woman victim or a male victim. So the reception center will be the first point of contact. Then we want to establish a women help desk at all the police stations to receive the victims in a better way. So we should make them to feel safe and secure, and they should also feel they should also get a feeling that so these police persons are there for us to help and to give a better ambience and to offer them a better response to the citizens. We started this initiative. So as part of this initiative, so we give the we augmented all police stations across the state of AP. So we have almost 1,000 police stations, 1,000 law and order police stations in the state of AP. In the first phase, we augmented 700 police stations. Before this initiative, we established women help desk in all the police stations. So in every women help desk, we have a woman constable or a woman head constable. So they are there to receive the complaints. So they will receive the complaints and they will endorse it. So that's what the system we have initially. Now they have lack of infrastructure. They don't have proper hardware. So due to that, we are unable to deliver the services in a proper way. So in order to improve the services and to deliver better services, so we augmented all the women help desks. So these are the items which provided to all the police stations. So in the first phase, we offered to 700 police stations. The first thing is we offered a high-end desktop within a printer. When a victim comes to the police station, first we'll receive them, we'll take their complaint. So that complaint will be digitized and we'll give an acknowledgement copy to them just by giving in a proper time frame. And the second thing is we know that how the police stations are. So then we offered in a seat. So for that we provide an airport lounge bench to all the police stations to have a seat to the women victims. Then for water facility also to have a proper water facility, we gave the hot and cold water dispenser to all the police stations. Then what are the initiatives we are offering to the women, that also we are displaying at the women help desk itself. So no need to come to the police stations. Just by seeing the logos, they might get a feeling that these are all initiatives taken by the government and they can make utilize of it, like Disha mobile application or dial 100 or 112. What are all initiatives we have taken for women that we kept at the women help desk itself. Just by seeing that, they will get to know about all the initiatives. And the Disha patrolling vehicles for every police stations, we gave one Disha patrolling vehicle. In the first phase, we offered 900 patrolling vehicles to all the police stations. Each police station will get one vehicle, and that will be there when a woman victim comes to the police station. We'll use that vehicle to reach the scene of offense to provide the service to the victim. So this is the thought process we identified. And for identifying these items, also committee, senior officers, staff officers sat together and they identified all the items. They didn't identify the items just like that. So because all the items have some importance, and they planned in such a way that these items will improve the ambience of the police station, will improve the response of the police station. Like that, they identified all the items, and these are the implementation thing. And you can see that these are the items we provided, and you can see the women help desk. They have a high-end desktop and printer and the airport lounge benches, then water dispenser, logos, and everything. So because of this, what we done is we changed the ambience of the police station. The response we offer to the victim is also changed. So they can easily contact the police station. They will get a sense of feeling that they are there for us and they will help us and they will resolve their uh, issues. So FIR registration has also changed, and we are offering acknowledgement. Then automatical accountability on the police officers will also improve. So we are giving the time frames. So we are clearly mentioning the time and dates. Accordingly, our officers will register the FIRs if the cognizance is there. Then we can also able to identify from which area people are coming more to my police station. So then I like that I can identify the risk zone areas in my police station. Then we have counseling centers in every police station. So as part of this women help desk, we established the counseling centers. So when a distress comes, we first offer counseling. By speaking to them, they will get some feeling that they are ready to solve my problem. Like that, we established. This is the idea of the women help desk. This is one of the idea, and all police stations are equipped like this. So these are some snapshots. So this is going to be launched by the Honorable Chief Minister Garu on March 8th on account of International Women's Day. So we invested almost 7 crores on this. For each police stations, we gave 1 lakh rupee. 7 crore we utilized, and the remaining 300 police stations will also be augmented by March 2021. So on March 8th, this will be opened by the Honorable CM Garu. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks for giving this opportunity.
I think this is an excellent effort which you have done by providing these basic amenities and necessities. I remember Disha was started in one of the districts. I don't remember which district it was started. I had attended its presentation and really appreciated. And one of our recommendation was that it should be really replicated throughout the state. And today's presentation is actually how you are going ahead and now how you have actually replicated throughout the state. I really appreciate your efforts.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Thanks for your good words, sir. So we implemented this across the state, sir. Initially, we planned in one district. Later, it was extended to all the states, all the districts in the state, sir.
That's right. Excellent, excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Bhushan sir, as you have mentioned that it started from one district and now it's being replicated to whole state. But yes, the idea is really good. Is it possible to integrate the elderly people as well in this? Because they also get the same problem like the women get the problem. So is it possible, sir? Patil sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, this is mainly kept for weaker sections and women, sir. In this, elderly persons are also covered, sir. For that, also we started an initiative called as Vruddha Mitra. As part of that, we are offering services to the elderly people in every district, sir.
Okay, no, I was saying that starting so many schemes like disabled people as well, because nowadays a lot of stress is given by the government to integrate disabled people, whether physically handicapped or mentally handicapped, and this senior citizens. So if they could also be integrated in this system, then most likely it will be very useful and it can expand its scope.
Sir, yes, sir, your point is well taken, sir. Actually, we already incorporated a disabled person, sir. For them, we offered ramps in all police stations, sir.
Okay, okay.
So we
So
already
is it
taken that, sir, and even elderly people also, we are running a separate initiative, and we are also integrating with this women help desk, sir.
okay? It's a good effort. Really, these type of efforts are needed in our whole country, and especially in remote areas where this type of things are not present for helping our women or distressed people. Thank you very much. All the
Thank you,
best.
sir.
Good
Thank you,
effort.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the presentation, sir. So with this, we come to the end of this session, and I'll quickly run a poll. So you have to rate your peer members, the presentations which just happened. You have to vote the presenters, and they'll also vote for your project. So only Andhra Pradesh Police Department was in this session. So I guess only they are here to vote. So I'll quickly run the poll now.
Rishabh, shall we? Can we leave and join at 11 o'clock?
Yes, sir. You all can leave.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Everybody can see the poll on the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So thank you all the participants. So we will share a popular vote Beacons of Hope page link with you very soon. You have to popularize it in your ecosystem and collect as many votes as possible. You will get the mail by today evening or Monday morning.
Thank you, sir. Will do.
Thank you.